Does Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint takes forever to open your PC? You clicked on Microsoft Word, nothing happened. You clicked again, still it shows loading screen. And you are thinking your PC is fast, so why Office is so slow? And in this video, we're going to talk about what are some of the top reasons due to which Microsoft Office take forever to load. And if we are talking about reason, of course, we will also talk about the potential fixes. So before we begin, let me talk about this video is for if you are using Microsoft Windows 10 or 11, or if I talk about the Office version, then this is applicable for Office 365, 2021, 2024 and 2019. And if you are new to this channel and loves Office productivity content, then be sure to subscribe to Technoholic, as in this channel we cover productivity video that will going to help you in your day-to-day life. Alright, let's get back to the topic and let's tackle or try to resolve the problem of Word, Excel or PowerPoint loading so slow. And in this list, the first and the biggest culprit is your installed add-ins. So if you open any of Microsoft application, and now I'm gonna click here on File and then down here Option and then here Add-in. If you recently have enabled any add-in, probably that could cause your system run so slow. For example, here I can see this 3D connection add-in for Microsoft Word. I don't know, I may never be working on it. So what I can do here is I can disable such add-ins. So let me click here on Go, and now I am going to uncheck all the add-ins that I think is not needed. All right, now let's click OK. And by the way, if you cannot actually open Microsoft Word, then in that case, what we can do is you can simply type, let's say Word, and now press Control and click on Word, Excel or PowerPoint. And you're going to see this kind of screen which says that, do you want to start Word in safe mode? So that I would say should able to resolve your issue. All you need to do, you need to click on yes, and your Word should start immediately. Now let's talk about the reason number 2. That is so true if you are saving your content in internet. So if you are running slow internet and your file size is too big and it is by default, let's say, saved in internet, then in that case also file may take a lot of time to load in your system. So if you know your internet speed is slow, then in that case I would recommend you to not to turn this autosave on, because as soon as you turn this autosave, it will start uploading the data in your OneDrive. So in such scenario where you have weak internet connection and heavy file, it is recommended to save your data in your local drive. So this will avoid your file loading from network drive and cloud storage. Now let's talk about fix number 3, which is clearing Office junk and cache. So sometime, because of cache, we may face the Office is not loading. In that case, we simply need to press Windows button and R. And now here we need to type %temp % and hit enter. Now you're gonna see there are so many junk files exist in your PC. Simply press Ctrl and A, Shift and delete, and that's all. So here also you can see I am about to free more than 6 GB of data from this temporary file. So once you do that, you should be able to open Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint quite fast. And that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.